Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix FPS drop while playing games and how to boost it. Okay, let's start. First is you need to press Windows and R key together, or you can just simply do a right click here, then go to run. Here you need to type for Ridge Edit, REGEDIT, and then click on OK. The moment you click that, your user account control will ask you to allow. Just simply click on yes, and this registry editor will open. Okay, so just maximize it to start from scratch. And then here, you need to go for local machine and then click the forward arrow here and go to software. And then here you need to go for Microsoft and then click anywhere of the folders, then type for P and then locate for policy manager. Okay, then go for default, then here locate for application management. Okay, then here under the application management, just go for allow game DVR. Click that. And then once you clicked your allow game DVR, click value and then do a right click and go to modify. Here, any number that is been inputted in the value data, just delete that and then make it 0 and then OK. So the moment you enter 0, it will fix the FPS fixed and boost your FPS. Okay. Then after that, let me just minimize this. Okay. Here, you need to go for current user and then click the arrow icon here and go for system. Okay. After that, go for game config store. And then here, click this and then this will open and then look for game DVR enable. Just have to follow what I have been being done or being clicked in my computer and then do a right click and go to modify and here just type 0 same as what we had done earlier and then it will fix and boost your FPS. Okay? So after that, after doing all of those, just have to close this and then you need to restart your computer to see if there are any changes with your FPS, if it is fixed, if it is now working or boost. Okay? After that, I'll be recommending you a very good optimizer that you could use in your computer, that you could install and download in your computer. And this is called a shampoo win optimizer. Just simply search a shampoo win optimizer here, and then this screen will appear in your window. Okay? Here you need to click download to download the Win Optimizer. So this is a remedy for slow Windows machine to make your PC faster and more secure. And as you can see, it has a lot of stars here. 4.5 people have rated it already. And it has this 531 customer reviews. So it is being used worldwide and just helps your computer run better. It removes junk files, speed ups your PC and fixed common Windows issues. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day, everyone.